Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a Project Life Process video using the All About Me kit from Citrus Twist Kits. And I'm going to start with the cards, and I didn't need too many cards for this week. I wanted a title card, I needed a 6x4 for the photo of the little plant, a place to journal, and then it was like a wild card on the right. So I used a few of the cards, and then I decided to also use the 6x8 papers, especially because I had a few photos that were in the 9x16 perspective that I wanted to add. I'm going to use this one as my title card, and I just love how this one turned out. I had like a slightly different plan. Sometimes in my brain I have an idea and then the actual sizes kind of change my plans, but in this case it was a good thing and I love how it turned out. I'm gonna use those little phrase stamps, and I love these alphas. They coordinate the kit, and they don't have numbers, but that's fine because I have a bunch of other Citrus Twist Kits alpha stickers that work with this collection and they have numbers. So I decided to use these blue ones. They're so pretty, and the color again, it matches. And I like to put the number in a circle label that comes with the die cuts, because it kind of like makes it stand out and it adds a little bit of layering. And my plan wasn't to add the week abbreviation like that, but I really love how it turned out. I used the chambray blue from Studio Calico and the pink lemonade in the middle. And also this roller stamp is from Studio Calico, and the one with the hearts is a very old one from Simple Stories. I have so many old roller stamps that I'm trying to get to use them more often. And then I just added those fun asterisks, and they look so cute. And this was back when my kids were still doing virtual school. This is from the 2021 album, and one of the projects was to watch some plants grow. I think they were growing, yes, they were growing cucumbers, and it was an experiment where they had to give one of the cucumbers water and sun, then another one you would give it just sun, another one just water, and another one wouldn't receive anything at all. So the cucumbers grew. They made it out alive even after the experiment. Obviously the no water and no sun was a little rough one, but we were able to save it for a while before I killed it like every other plant. But we did our best and it grew, and the experiment was pretty successful. And I cut this photo with a circle stitch die from Lawn Fawn. And I love to do that with photos, and it gives me the chance to make also little layouts. So I'm trying to add a few other elements like these leaves, and I use the Tombow Mono Aqua Liquid Glue to add the leaves. That way it's a very small delicate die cut, so if I add too much glue it's gonna dry clear and not tacky like the Mono Multi Liquid Glue, so it was perfect for that. And I love little word stickers, and this All About Me kit had two sheets. It was like a front and a back kind of package. It was so cute, and it was mostly about documenting your own life, and I always tell the story from my point of view, so it was perfect for it. And I love these cursive stickers. They're so cute, and I just wanted to add a little bit of layer. Whenever I start working with a kit, I always pick out a few washi tape rolls so I can use them with the collection, and it's really easy. You just pick a page that has most of the kit colors, or a card if it's a Project Life kit also. So you pick the card first, or you can pick a few, and then you draw colors and patterns from that. If you have a lot of, washi tape, as I do, I just make sure I keep it organized by color. And I love these little layers. And I like this photo. It has like a threefold purpose. First of all, there's my daughters and her little pigtails. Then there's the computer where they are watching the instructions for this plant project, and then they have the items for the plants. They came in a little kit. You pick them up at school, and it was really fun. So I love that this photo it's from my point of view, and it covers all the things that I want to. Then I have this photo of my daughter in her bedroom. She was just coloring and she was being quiet. It was one of those moments where you're like, is this quiet like nice or like dangerous? So I peeked into her room and she was drawing. She loves to draw, in color. So there are crayons and pens in this house all over the place, in organizers, zipper pouches. If you need ideas for kids who draw, so they are not like just rolling all over every table you have, just I'll let you know. And I love that this photo, like, I can see her drawing, but I can also see a glimpse of her in the mirror, so that's pretty cool. And now I switch her room, so it's another reminder of how her room looked like. And we were talking about static and hair and stuff like that. That is why I took that photo, mostly to show her, because mine wasn't staticky enough, I think. So, and then I have a little space that I can embellish. And whenever I use a chipboard, I like to sort of like push down the clips. I feel like it puts down the volume a little bit. Also, it doesn't get us stuck on the photo behind. This is a picture my little one drew of Minecraft. Minecraft has been important in the past few years, but much more in that year specifically. I didn't want to cover too much, but there was a lot of grass, so it was a good opportunity to embellish. And this is going to be my journaling card. I always like to add a little bit of embellishment, especially if they don't have like a title or something on the top. I can always add a little stamping, or like in this case, I added some washi with one of the stickers, and I didn't want to draw the lines exactly, so I was just using this little blue ruler from Tombow. It comes with a Tombow Fudenosuke, and to journal I use a Tombow twin tone markers, the fine tip, and I love it because it's the font size is perfect, and also it has all the colors, so I love to journal in color. And here's the whole thing. It's a very simple project. On the right I have the little stories that my daughter wrote, which she wrote a bunch of those, and I wanted to keep them, so I did not embellish those at all. And here's another photo a little bit farther away, so I embellish a lot on the left, well, not a lot, and then barely touched the right. I didn't even put a card behind that pushing card. I thought that it was just fine, and then used that Citrus Twist Kids card as a filler. And I had to submit her work every week, so it was easy to have these on hand and just print them. So that's a good idea to add the point of view of your kids if you're looking for any ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.